In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable voice features in Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a voice chat, choose a voice you like, speak your prompt, and even use a quick command and push to talk to make conversations faster and hands-free. First, open the Claude app. If you're on the web, head to the Claude site and sign in. Give it a second to load your workspace. This ensures the interface is fully ready and your microphone permissions can register correctly when you switch to voice. Next, start a new chat and look near the text input field for the sound wave or microphone symbol. Tap or click that icon to enter voice mode. If you're prompted to allow microphone access, confirm it so Claude can hear you. A quick tip here, make sure you're in a quiet spot and that the correct mic is selected on your device for the best transcription quality. Once you're in voice mode, you can choose from different audio voices, including options like buttery, airy, mellow, glassy, or rounded. Take a moment to preview how each one sounds. Pick the voice that matches your preference. Some are warmer, some are brighter, so that long responses stay comfortable to listen to. You can always switch later if you change your mind. Now speak your prompt naturally. Claude will transcribe what you say in real time, so you can watch the words appear as you talk. If you notice a word come out wrong, pause briefly and continue. Clear pacing helps accuracy. Claude can also read its responses aloud using the voice you selected, which makes it great for hands-free brainstorming, follow-up questions, or learning while you multitask. If you prefer a quick command to jump into voice, open a terminal and type /voice to activate voice input. This is a convenient shortcut if you like keeping your hands on the keyboard. Just be sure your system microphone is working and not muted before you run the command, so the handoff to voice mode is smooth. Finally, once voice is active, you can use push to talk. Hold down the spacebar to record your message and release to send it. This gives you precise control over when recording starts and stops, reducing background noise and accidental captures. Watch for the on-screen indicator while you hold space so you know Claude is listening. Then let go to submit your prompt and hear the response. That's it. Open Claude, tap the mic, pick a voice, speak your prompt, use the /voice command if you like, and lean on space for push to talk. You're all set to use Claude hands-free.